electrical charges. Using letter C, we can transfer energy in a ways that allow us to accomplish in a common sources. It is best known from the flow of electrons through the conductors such as copper wires. Is the common volt that we use in our house. It can supply washing machine, TV, radio, refrigerators, and 220 volts is the common standards in the Philippines. Manifestations of a single underlying electromagnetic force. Electromagnetism is a branch of physical science that describes interactions of electricity and magnetism, both as a separate phenomenon as a singular electromagnetic force. A magnetic field is created by moving electric current, and magnetic field can induce movement of charges. Electric current. The rules of electromagnetism also experience of geometric and electromagnetic phenomenon by explaining how charge produce atoms interact.
Electricity. Appliances have magnets to control the electric current flows and to control to overheat these appliances. Magnets.
This pose is
Sponsored by electricity.
Hindi ka makita.
Ay, patuwang na mi amo ay na Jinjin.
What's up, guys?
Alright.
Ulit nami! Manang video! Graduate nami!
Magnets can control the